The Park Tool BBP-1.2 bottom bracket bearing press set is specifically designed and built to quickly and accurately install bottom bracket bearings into press fit bottom bracket shells. The press features a quick release design for fast tool installation and removal and a large handle for leverage. The precision bushings allow for compatibility with most modern press fit bottom bracket standards. The BBP-1.2 works on bottom brackets of all widths from less than 68 millimeters to over 150 millimeters.